Hi, hello. Uh, I am a new animator and I'm a bit of lazy. This is my introduction. My real name is Ace, and I know that all of you will support me. And I just want this to be popular. It's because I want to support my friend, VL. His YouTube is capital V and 1 and 3. Yeah, subscribe to him. He's my friend who inspires me to animate. Um, I have this character which is based on Red Clock, my own character. Yeah. Yeah, this is my own character and my OC character. I'm bad at drawing. Don't mind the drawing. I draw on Flip a Clip. It's because I don't have budget on drawing on iPad or everything. I just want to have an iPad. It's because it's so expensive. It's like, oh my god. Uh, by the way, it's I'm so busy. So yeah, bye. The end of introduction is there. Subscribe to V1E3. I mean on my friend VL V13. Yeah. Bye. I forgot to mention I'm going to my friend's video which is gonna be on season 3. And yeah, he hasn't finished his drawing yet. So yeah, just wait for it to upload. Bye.